The 2014 Dodge Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, front air conditioning, front wheel drive, cruise control, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, Sirius satellite radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.